Now we will discuss second topic of chapter relations and functions. We have already discussed Cartesian product. Now we will discuss relations. Now we all know in everyday life we used to relate two objects. Sometimes we relate pen with copy, and sometimes we relate scale with geometry box. So this is a slight relation. Sometimes we relate a person with another person. Sometimes we relate numbers. So this is called relation. For example, 1 is less than 2. It is a relationship between 1 and 2. Similarly, we have to define relationship between numbers, relationship between variables, relationship between various things. So in this topic, we will discuss the relations. For example, if we have a set A, another set B, it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and it contains 3, 4, 2, for example. Now we want to relate them. Somehow a relation is like less than. Suppose we want to relate this number with the number which is greater than that, means this is less than that. So 1 is less than 3, yes. 1 is less than 4, yes. 1 is less than 2, yes. 2 is less than 3, 2 is less than 4. But 3 is less than 4 only, and 4 is less than no other number. It is a kind of relationship, and we can write this relationship or this relation into various ways, which we have discussed in set form. First of all, roster form, if you remember. Roster form. We all know in roster form elements are clearly visible. So 1 with 3, and elements are in ordered pair. 1 with 4, 2 with 3, 1 with 2, 2 with 4, 3 with 4. See how many lines we have got? 6 lines. So 6 elements are there. This is called roster form. Second form is set builder form. Or definition form, if you remember, I have told you. In set builder form, we denote this relation by R, and we will write it in curly bracket x comma y is such that x is less than y for all x belongs to A and y belongs to B. This is called set builder form. And third is Venn diagram form or pictorial definition. This is itself. So we have 3 ways to define relationship, and a relation contain element in ordered pair, which gives us relationship between first set with second set. So let us have a simple definition of a relation. If we have A and B two sets, then a relation R is defined as all possible subset of a Cartesian product of A and B. We all know Cartesian product denoted by A cross B. Now if we want to take Cartesian product of this set with this set, it would contain 9 elements, because here we have 3 and 3. It would contain 9 elements, Cartesian product. But according to this relation, we have got only 6 elements. So what is relation? Any subset of a Cartesian product A cross B is said to be relation, and it is denoted by R is equal to x comma y is such that R is equal to x comma y is such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Sometimes we relate it like x R y. X is related with y. We write like this: x is brother of y, x is father of y, x is less than y, and so on. So we can write a relation like this. Suppose there is a no relationship, we also write x r cancel y. So x is not related with y. This is the way to write relations from set A to set B. Now after that we have number of relations defined from set A to set B. I have just told you, if a set contains P elements, another set B contains Q elements, their Cartesian product will contain PQ elements. Now we all know, if a set is contained n elements, how many subsets are possible? 2 raised to the power n. So if this set, Cartesian product is itself a set, if this set A cross B containing PQ elements, how many subsets it contains? 2 raised to the power PQ. So this is the formula for number of relations from A to B. Number of relations defined from set A to set B. After that we have got domain and range. Domain of relation. This first set is said to be domain, means whatever relations we have contained, look at this, it's all the elements which belongs to first set. So domain is all the component of a set contains as first element. So here we have got 1, 2, 3. The elements which are taking part in a relation as a first element. And range, second element. All the component of second element of ordered pair which a relations contain. Here it is 3, 4, 2. This is all about domain and range of a relation. Now example, if a set A contains 3 elements, if a set A contains 3 elements, another set B contains 2 elements, how many relations can be defined from set A to set B? Using the formula 2 raised to the power PQ. So number of relations may be defined from set A to set B is equal to 2 raised to the power 6. That is 64 relations can be made by the use of Cartesian product of A and B.